Hey guys, I'm here for another packaging video. I am really excited to finally be getting my act together, shall we say, and doing some replies to a lot of happy mail that I owe. And this one here is going out to my friend Anna, who is Ephemeris32 here on YouTube, I think. Well, I'll put the link to her YouTube channel below. She is Ephemeris32 on Instagram, and I'm sure that's her YouTube name, but I will double check. Anna and I have been pen pals for a really long time, and she is the sweetest. She sent me some really lovely birthday mail in this little box, actually, and as soon as I got it on I'm going to refill it and send it back to her. So in here, I have just popped some shred and the tissue paper, actually, that she used in my mail, I think, or some tissue paper I've got out, and a whole lot of little bits of sparkly goodies to go in the bottom. And then I've just been pulling together some little bits and pieces to give to her, so I just thought I would share them. So she is a big Rosie Studio fan too, and I had picked up an extra set of these little cute little puffy stickers, so I thought I will give those to her. This is some papers from Kmart, but I don't know, the colors and the like patterns and stuff just reminded me of her, and I reckon she will make something super cute using these. So I've just cut them down. It's a 6x6 paper pad. There was a bee in my room. Oh, I can't get it out. Oh, hopefully it will go away. Sorry. I've cut those down to 4x6 so they fit into this little box. They were just 6x6 papers. What else have I got? This is a little envelope of fabric, little bright fabric strips that I have made. So they're just little scraps of paper sewn into bits, and then some little tags that I made using them. And I love the bright colors, just remind me of Anna, so I thought I would send her some of those. What else have I got here? These are some really cute little puffy, not puffy, like little gem and dimensional stickers I've had for ages from the warehouse here in New Zealand, but I just love these little llamas with their cute rainbow sunglasses, so I'm sending her those. These are just a couple of cute little stickers that I made. What else? Oh, these are some holographic hearts, stars, and circle stickers that I just got off AliExpress. I'm just going to pop a wee selection of them in there for her to play with. I shared this ages ago. It is some old packaging that I repurposed using some Rosie Studio goodies, and in each little thing is some wire wrapped beads, some plain beads, and some pom-poms, and then this one's just got some rainbow beads, and I made that for her, so pop that there. And then we've just got a whole lot of other little goodies here. I've got this really cute little punch that I've had for ages, and it is new, but the packaging did not fit in there, so I've just taken it out of the packaging and just pop it in the corner. These are a couple of stickers. This one's a sticker, this one's a tag that are from that I've had for ages from just some goodies that are sold in a brand that's sold at the warehouse, and I just thought she would really like those. I picked them up ages ago. This is a surprise. Oh, I think these are some vellum hearts I made and stitched, and I just thought I would send her some. These are some of the layered butterflies I made for my challenge with Alicia. Some really cute retro looking pink chewing gum. I just always think of really bright colors when I think of Anna, so I just have got some little bits and pieces that are bright. These are little tea drops, and this is chamomile blossom, and I've become a big chamomile tea fan. I'll just squeeze that in there, maybe. And then this is just a little packet of really bright fun confetti, and these are some little ones I made of these little tiny sequin shaker charms to add to her project. So those are just some of those. And there we go. That is my pretty little package for Anna. And I will just wrap it up. And I was just going to pop this little sweet little banner that I made using some Cocoa Vanilla Studio goodies, and then I will send that off to her. I won't flip it shut because it's still got our addresses on, so I'll need to wrap that up and send that off. But I hope that this doesn't take too long to get to her, and I hope she really loves the goodies that I've sent. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.